In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your address in Doordash. Whether you're trying to receive food, groceries, or retail goods, knowing how to accurately input your address into Doordash ensures your orders arrive promptly at your doorstep. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Doordash website. Simply open your web browser and type in doordash.com in the address bar, or click on the link provided in the description below if that makes it easier for you. Once the website loads, you'll notice a variety of options for delivery service, emphasizing quick and efficient same-day delivery. To begin entering your address, locate the drop-down menu usually found at the top of the web page. It's often presented as a small icon or a series of horizontal lines. By clicking on this menu, you'll open up a list of services and settings related to your account. Here, you'll need to direct your attention to the section dedicated to address management. At this point, you'll type in your address if you haven't done so already. It's vital to ensure accuracy here because the precision of your address can significantly impact your delivery experience. Go ahead and type your Canadian address into the designated field. If you're wondering why specifics like the postal code matter, it's because they help your dasher find you without unnecessary delays. Next, something that DoorDash does quite well is highlighting any important fields that might need extra attention. If you see a highlight, make sure you address it. It can often be a reminder to double check your inputs or to complete any missing fields such as apartment or unit numbers. Once you've filled in the necessary details, it's crucial to input any additional information that would help your delivery driver. This could be anything from specific entry instructions, landmarks, or elevator codes for apartment buildings. This type of information is particularly beneficial in ensuring that your delivery arrives hassle-free. After you have reviewed and completed your entry, hit that all-important Save button. By clicking Save, you confirm and store your address information within DoorDash's system. This ensures that you won't need to re-enter your information every time you place an order, making future transactions smoother and quicker. And just like that, you are now set up with your Canadian address on DoorDash. This should streamline the process for placing orders seamlessly and receiving them without any hiccups. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to enjoying fast, convenient delivery from your favorite local and national outlets. Thank you for tuning in and happy ordering.